Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and today we're going to be making Rye Flakes. Y'all can see that? If you've never heard of Rye Flakes before, Dr. Sebi approves rye flour. So I'm assuming anything dealing with rye is like, approved too. But this is supposed to be a close substitute to oatmeal. I used to love oatmeal. I ain't gonna front. And I have tried kamut flakes and spelt flakes, and somebody told me that Rye Flakes is the taste and texture is even closer to oatmeal than the spelt and kamut flakes. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of the spelt and kamut flakes. And so I've never tried these before. This is my first time trying them, and let's get started. Okay, so these are Rye Flakes I brought. I brought them from Vitacost, and they were, let me go check because I forgot. They were $3.59 for 15 ounces. So I'm not sure if you can find these in stores or not, but I've never been able to find them. So a lot of the stuff we can't find online. We just buy from Vitacost, and I just actually uploaded a Vitacost haul. So if you guys want to check that out, then make sure you go watch that video. It's going to be on my channel. So let's see. It says 1 cup of rye flakes to 2 cups of boiling water. Cover, reduce heat, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until liquid is absorbed. Okay, I don't want a whole cup. That's too much. I don't want a whole cup. That's a lot. I don't even know if I'm gonna like it. So I think I'm gonna do 1/4 a cup or 1/2 a cup. I'm trying to think, I don't want to be hungry later. Let's try 1/4 a cup for now. Well, no, because it takes 20 minutes to make. We're gonna try 1/2 a cup. We're gonna do 1/2 a cup, and then we're just gonna do 1 cup of boiling water. So I'm gonna just go ahead, put my water in there, get it boiling, and then we'll add the rye flakes in. Since we're only doing 1/2 a cup of rye flakes, I'm just gonna do 1 cup of boiling water. And I'm gonna come back when this comes to a boil. Alright, my water's boiling, so I'm gonna add in 1/2 a cup of my rye flakes. And they say 15-20 minutes, so I'm gonna put on a timer of 20 minutes. I definitely feel like I'm gonna need some more water. Okay, so our timer went off. I let my rye flakes cook for the entire 20 minutes. I feel like they cooked down a lot. I did have to add in an additional cup of water just because all the water kept cooking out. So now I'm gonna, how you say this? Do you say you season or you dress your oatmeal? Or rye flakes? I don't know, but I'm gonna add some stuff to it. I have some sea salt here, little contrasting flavor. Have some Ceylon cinnamon. You can buy this from Whole Foods. Just a little bit of coconut oil, since we can't use butter. The coconut oil will help it to give it a little creaminess to it. And then I also don't have any date sugar prepared, so I'm just gonna add agave. Did I say date sugar? I think I did. Yeah, so I'm gonna just add a few tablespoons of agave. Also going to add like the tiniest amount of vanilla extract. It was like literally the tiniest amount. Okay, now I'm gonna transfer my rye flakes to my bowl right here. Alright, now I'm gonna add some fresh strawberries. I always eat my oatmeal with fresh fruits on top. Oh, that was a... We gonna eat that. Then I have some walnuts I'm gonna crush up and put on top. A little bit more cinnamon. What else? I don't think we got no dry fruits. We got that coconut. No freaking coconut. The no coconut. I don't have nothing to put on there, so I'm gonna just drizzle a little agave on top and make it look cute.
I thought she said drizzle.
You know what? Oh my gosh, and there you have it. Let's do a taste test. Okay guys, here's the finished product. We're gonna taste it. Ooh, this cold. Why is this one cold? Oh my god, it tastes like oatmeal. Come taste it.
I need a spoon.
I just need to be a little bit more sweeter, but
Hey y'all.
I don't be kissing nobody.
I hope not.
Come in the camera. Come in the camera, anime. Yeah, let them see your face. Yeah, turn this way. Don't it taste like oatmeal? I feel like with the spelt and the kamut flakes, they never got soft enough. But this gets soft. It don't taste exactly like oatmeal, but the texture is much closer to oatmeal.
Y'all gonna ship me some Rye Flakes? Cause I don't have flakes. Y'all gonna ship me?
Buy the comes, hit me up. We're gonna do a sponsored video, alright? Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I highly suggest giving Rye Flakes a try. They taste very similar to oatmeal in the texture, but you know, you just sweeten it up however you want it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.